Chapter 15: Communication and Mass Media. Communication means sharing or exchanging information, messages, or feelings with others. We do this when we speak, write, make gestures, or even use phones and computers. Good morning, children. Today, we are going to learn about something very important in our daily lives: communication. How do we communicate? Let's think. When you smile at your friend or wave goodbye, that's communication. We use words like talking or writing, facial expressions like smiling or frowning, gestures like shaking hands or showing thumbs up. We also use telecommunication devices like telephones and mobile phones, radio and television, computers and the internet. All of these help us send and receive messages quickly, even from far away places. From past to present, long ago, people sent messages using letters, messengers, or pigeons. Now we can call, message, or video chat with someone in just a few seconds. What helps us communicate so fast? India uses satellites called INSAT, which means Indian National Satellite, to send signals across long distances. Thanks to these satellites, we can watch live cricket matches on TV, listen to important announcements, talk to friends in other cities or countries. Mass media, reaching many people at once. Some means of communication can reach a large number of people at the same time. These are called mass media. Examples of mass media: television, radio, newspapers, internet. Mass media helps us learn about the world, get news, and stay connected. Why is communication important? Communication helps in spreading awareness about cleanliness, health, and education, warning people during floods, earthquakes, or storms, sharing important government messages, helping people learn new things, growing businesses and trade. Do you know India uses special satellites called INSAT to help with communication? With their help, we can watch live news, hear weather reports, and talk across the world. What we have learned: communication means sharing information. We use words, actions, phones, and mass media to communicate. Communication is useful when we use it in the right way. Don't forget to play, talk, and spend time with real people too.